giddy, call it baka, cause you know they hear what you say. I do it for the giddy, call it baka.
But say I'm watching Anka and Guasi.
I can
say me buy my person call him a chica. Person because I'm calling. Hey,
I go
cocoa na. He said cocoa we are never. Yes, I have seen no who knew her. We need the essence chain. And son, I would do a full idea since and about son watching me and sir. So here when you're catching your Tama, and wow, what dear? No, when it's my in out. You go call me, you send it, yes, it may call me corners away we have you call me. Ha, did me wait and make corner checker. Hey, but some of her tickle could be and son, mother.
And your class the old coaches idea.
So I was a Calisohana.
And intermediate when you send you say, come over to a hair no cramamia, not just Zenka. Said the wound I know what that
are too. Who call a crocasium by a crowd by hay? Pierdiana, will you? And the man now Sako Coco. So, and send it, and yet you're trying to boy. And you hold you from my bed now, home.
So from a hotel. Coco from my two.
You know, Yamia Duma, Chilano,
Obaco.
Be a messolent, not be a moon soleil. Some of the first car, but this will have to one for first car now. You say you lady. Or had to be a person, Dino. So not be an idea of Toma, or any better than now. And as I've had justice, one in the casa, I will say, I mess them one. I get to a dark mounds, maybe I can't time or no, will tribute here. When you be divia, put me the Japan. I mean, I'm getting, I say, Corona ran to my, what me that no jow. Let our comfort club, when you be a diffy jano. And ye back with dinner and Sabiana send out. So, now so I die come cack. My friend, I'm with one. I die come cack. Son of a two. You reckon you answer in Yamin so much. So you can saw me a do for your crown, I dear giant. And when they are the action.
How come? So these girls are trying to blackmail me. Where from this video? Okay, let me dial this number. Hello. Yeah. How are you? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So how come? No. Listen to me. You know, I'm an honorable person. So you can use this to blackmail me. Really? Come on. No. If you want money, is this the way to... No. I can't understand you. Oh, okay. So young men of today.
Tinga. Efo. Until there why I am.
O cramp any kwai ka me ni wugina ha podi nkomo. Adam hwede da obeye gumani ma so ha wo se chifa me so koi. Wo sika kitwe bia Imagine ntunu ba beli di matema be gumani ma.
Mangu ani ase. Sa ade de ma ya atwea afa hoso no aye format. Wow, ma fi se ma ye sa pe oba fa America ye mu hihie no ma abafie. Me be ye den. Wa chi afa me so akwa me ma sa ba me ba be ye den. Atwea wo sa nkema wo mele na mhala. Nkema de vem ngana. Maga wo mara wunyola, ma nye sa. Ha? Wow, wo oba de Yakopon afa mo amaye, mo ye aduane de ye bagi. Wow. Mo ye aduane sese wa makoma adimi no.
Metu me ye mutu ne nkato nkwan. Ana me ye die wo na yoyo. De Yakopon aye mu se ya ndi no, eno ana mo aye. Aha, ento pese wudi a process na me go so church efo fesikata time na hye me
process
me time dia wo
process be bio na masa mfa ama wo
fesikata
time ni mana oga
fatata me no na e me yo wo de skata time sana bibi ya
wan brafie no wan baji ska no
wo de ska na bana manje
ana me si brafie gara ho ma wan ra dem pe mabafa sika na abo sika tuo gbam
wo de ma se meba why meba
o baba da be
wo de me se meba
anyumre we ana
problem me say
o baba anyumre we
baba
You've chosen this mode or method to milk people like me in the society. Come to think of it, me sleeping with your girlfriend. How come? You don't mean it. No. I don't eat from people's plate, eh? No. What? You are going to lick it? How? What will you gain from that? Oh, okay. You want to disgrace me. So, hello. Hello, baby. Yeah. No. You listen to this first. I'm about going out and lo and behold, there was this video purporting to be, the affair that we had. And this guy is claiming that, as if you know something about that. Oh, okay. But you know what?
Hey.
Oh.
Hey, fana beba.
Hey, me asem.
Hey, there be undi wo ni efo sisi ho. And asa na wota me.
Why?
The last time batu se mu gina ho no. Me sheda na betwa mu. Na man ka sentinu bi se me.
Me no why sisi ho. Me hey. Ma pene.
Tinga maga wo.
Me efo me pene o. Hey, foko no ma shata.
Hey, ma fa no a blood covenant.
Foko na ye bicho mo yasudi mu. What am I there? If for pay me cry me pin so me di chinadi. Hey, for be yesterday. Share me do for me.
Hey,
what do for now?
Hey, what do kwape wan chu.
Efo side me life dia go me me chamo yesterday mu. Efo ha wo ma tips jam. Me no me efo me do ya me no. He me do ya me no me chamo ase.
Hey, Percy. Hey. Akpi. Hey, Tinga. First we waji adura na. Hey, Tinga.
Wow. Get you. The buy so much. Na anti moto nkade. Onye no mra wo na. Baba. Efie.
Safua, anade mo brafi. Me chese, ajimeze. Ajimeze senti na tu ba ye o so mura dem dai. Aha. Oh, ba so ma. No baba.
Why dey really na na ni yiri no obey odan kukum. It's a surprise. That was it. I know you knew way. That people are say
yes.
Hey, what about the baby? We not tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Now we have more.
Yeah.
I'm so far. Now we. Okay, first of all, let me introduce you, right?
Oh, I get the last man to do so. To me, this is come out.
see, I'm very disappointed in all this issue. What must have happened to me?
You see, I don't even know how to start and how to end it. I never thought something like that could even happen, you know. You see, I'm sure that this incident happened because of my friend. I'm sure it's the boyfriend. He actually...
No. Point of correction. Don't you know this is a setup?
You know, I can't conclude whether it is a setup or not. But I'm really sure that I personally wouldn't do that. My friend won't also do that. So I'm sure it's coming from my friend's boyfriend. Because lately I've been experiencing some kind of fight between them. So I think he has trust issues. So maybe that's the reason why he planted that camera on my friend. I simply don't even know how to explain it, you know. I'm so sorry.
What baffles me is the fact that a camera was planted on her.
That is what I'm also thinking about. So I don't even know how it actually got into her outfit, her bag. I can't even figure it out. You see, but what
this is child's play. It's okay. You know, I'm an honorable person in the society.
I know.
I wouldn't want my name to be muddled in the mud.
I know.
But let me be frank with you. This 100,000 ransom, I can't afford that.
That's how much they asked from you.
Oh, yes. Didn't he tell you?
He didn't really tell me the amount, though. He just said he has actually told you an amount of money, but he didn't give me the vivid amount.
Actually, that was what she was demanding.
And then they are saying if you don't release the money, they are actually going to release the video.
Oh, but like I said, I'm an honorable person in the society. I wouldn't want to go that far.
Can I involve myself in? I just want to speak to him and see whether he can...
Well, if you may choose to do that, why not?
This issue. Oh, God.
It's unfortunate. It's eating me up, but...
I know.
I just have to...
I feel your pain, I know.
It's one of the unfortunate...
Hello. Pacho Loritanye, good morning. I just got the information say some video has been leaked and an amount of 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Freezer home, but the wine just from especially for you, coffee and wine.
Oh, sir. Namie.
Oh, then the only wine and one like. You the open.
Did you pass in me? You shall when you said it. Who has having any idea? You over there. Let's go on boy and can't any. I have sweet beer. Oh, Father, and I may have you. Had you a simple shed, Sanya had you, or by any of you. Where's any bay you? Many a bay and if you.
It is a word. Putting me this month of
I say I want a car and you bless you. So, yes, I just a million young movie. No, to our best side.
I'm going to wine and identify some bars and I'm on my people from Bondia. I'm
my mother, Nephew.
Some wine.
The better.
Well, they are kind of neon. Just walk I think.
Hello. Loretta, good afternoon. I just got the information that a video has been leaked out and an amount of 100,000 Ghana cedis is being demanded. You see, the person involved is actually my uncle, and you see, please, let's handle this thing very softly and amicably, I beg, in the name of God. Can you draw the money a little bit down for me?
20,000.
Like 20,000, please, sir. So how much do you want? Like, you tell me how much you want. How much do you want?
This is unfortunate. What? No. 40,000. Tell him I will offer.
Please, 40,000. Our last price, 40,000. Please take it easy and talk to me. You know, I'm a lady. He's still insisting on the 18. Okay, it's fine. So, mode of payment. How do you get your money and get rid of the... We just want to have a copy, every copy of the video. Every copy of the video. So mode of payment. Alright, forward it into my mail and then we'll send you your money.
No. Tell him I want the details myself.
Please.
Or better still, I can pay it into your account.
Okay.
And then you transfer it to
Alright, so same thing. Send me your account details, your name into my email account. I'll personally forward the money to you. And then I will take every single bit of a copy that you have. I hope you get me clear. Thank you. Honorable.
I never thought it would go this far.
Sorry. I am so sorry. In fact, if I should go on my knees and apologize, I am sorry.
Okay.
I didn't mean to, okay?
But I was a bit skeptical. In that, like I said earlier on, don't you think it's a setup? You and your friend setting me up so that you can milk me?
Honorable, you want me to cry? You just want me to cry right now. I can't set you up. You know, in as much as I'm a low-key slave queen, I'm a big girl as well, you know. So that is not my kind of thing. Anyway. In no way will I set you up.
You know, I'm a matured person, a grown-up.
I know.
But posterity will judge between you and I. If indeed.
Yeah, I know, but.
All right. Okay, you let me go.
Thank you for taking time to listen.
I do it for Chrome. Or for Chrome, and I'm see and cock Chrome. Okay, let's do it for what say Chrome. Me frat tone suit, me make a CSL bone suit. Against who is still with time, Joe, what is Sonny and the cone suit.